Okay, so today we bought some solar lights for the house. Let's unpack and we'll show you. We previously also bought a few. They're very good. You need to make sure you keep the box so that in case it doesn't work, you can return it back. So these are two lights. Yeah. So it's from online stores. So both of them are these bulb type ones, which are good for festival or putting it around the house. So this is how those lights are, and this is the solar panel which has to face the sun for charging. And you get a stand also here, which you can hook it behind the solar panel. So the controls of this are behind, where you get an on off switch, which is here, and these are the modes which you can change it to. So if I switch it on, yeah, so this is how it looks. We'll put it up and show in the night also how it looks. It looks pretty nice. And then there are different modes which you can change it to, like blinking, odd even. So there are different modes: fade in, fade out, fast blink. So when we put it up, we'll show you how it looks then.
Thank you.
This is how the lights look. Very nice. In the night. Here it is. We have put the lights up on the roof. This is how it is. So as soon as the sun goes out, it gets dark. The lights will come on.